Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the error Microsoft stored error code 0x800704cf. You will need internet for this. How to fix this problem? Let me guide what you have to do. You have to just open the run box by pressing the window plus R at once and search there a specific key PowerShell as like this, and you have to just press OK. After this you will find here such type of the page, but you have to just right click on the PowerShell at the taskbar. Just right click here and then click on run as administrator. After this your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to just move on to the next step, which is that you have to just close this page and then open your internet connection, and here you have to just click on the network and the internet setting here, and you will find here a new page. You have to just click on the change adapter option here. Just click on this option and you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just select your internet connection and right click on that and disable it for some time and then again enable. After doing so your problem will be resolved. If not, then you have to click on the properties option and then this pop-up will be open for you. You have to just select here the fourth option, internet protocol version 4. Just double click on it and here you have to select use the following DNS, and here you have to put the IP address as 8888 and then again here 88 and 44. After this you have to just click on the OK and your problem will be resolved by this method. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.